Thank you for watching another episode of Stallone's Reviews. Please like this video and subscribe for more. I'm trying to reach 100 subscribers by the end of August. Today I'm reviewing the Time and Space Marble Run sold by Benama store on Amazon. They actually have a number of interesting looking wood models to choose from, and I chose this one. If you have any questions about this marble run at the end of this review, please put them in the comments. You can watch 10 minutes of real-world operation of this marble run at the end of this video. Benama describes this kit as a 3D mechanical puzzle. It uses 15.65mm marbles, and they provide 8 multicolored plastic marbles to use in this device. The kit includes everything you need, including sandpaper and wax, so you shouldn't need to buy anything extra to put this together. However, I will discuss and provide a link in the description to the typical tools I use for these wood models. I will start this review with what I liked. The parts are all cut from thick plywood, making for sturdy pieces. And for once I had no breakages. You're covered though on many parts as the manufacturer provided several backup parts in case you did have a breakage. The parts all fit very tightly, and I didn't need to glue anything on this model to get it to hold together. The neatest thing about this model is its wooden chain, which I had serious doubts would function well, but is actually pretty fabulous. It does a terrific job of elevating the marbles to the top of the puzzle. However, there are some rare instances of binding while cranking the handle, but usually it resolves easily enough. The build went very quickly, and the parts came out of their frames easily and again without breakage, and needed very little filing to remove any burrs. Once together, the marble run works very well, with the crank rotating the gears that drive the wooden chain marble lift smoothly. I would say like butter. The operation is good, but not flawless, as there are some hiccups that I will describe in the next section. This marble run is a great first build if you want to dive into the wooden marble run hobby. The company rated this project at 4 stars out of 5 difficulty. I wouldn't say it was tough to put together, but there were a few instructions that were a little difficult to understand. A nice feature of the instructions, though, was they showed you what the project should look like after completing each major step, which helped to clear up some of the less clear instructions. Now for what I didn't like in this model. Occasionally the model will kick a ball out of the system. I've seen large professional marble runs in museums that do the same thing, so I usually don't hold this against a company unless it's particularly bad. There is a rocking feature at the top of the model that is supposed to create a 50-50 chance a marble will take one path over another, but this one is a bit flawed and sometimes is more like a 1 in 4 chance, and sometimes the balls get stuck in one side, and this can foul the whole thing up. To fix this, I think the dividing piece of the 50-50 device would need to be sanded down slightly, as the balls have a little difficulty clearing the top of this piece to land on the distant side. The instructions were printed on a poster-style sheet of paper. I prefer a booklet style, but I won't hold this against them. Some of the C parts are on the E parts frame, which means you could be left looking for the parts that you need or think that they maybe weren't included. I've built a number of wooden model kits like this by a company called Robotime, and the nice thing they include in a lot of their builds is a number of short videos to see how parts are supposed to go together, and even some troubleshooting. This kit did not have anything like this available. The model is a little light, and since you have to hand crank it, the model moves around a lot, which can lead to some minor problems. Anchoring this to a larger, heavier base would improve this. Would I do it again? You bet. It was fun, quick build that is highly functional, and the colored balls add to the novelty of the build. Did you build the Time and Space Marble Run? If so, what did you think? Please let me know in the comments. I beg you to please smash the like button and subscribe for more videos. Please consider supporting me on Patreon so I can review more stuff. The link is in the description.